Hi guys, today is the day we're gonna build an obstacle course. So the obstacle course is gonna be around here and we're gonna have like some stunts. So I can show you what it looks like. So we're gonna do this. So this is what it looks like. And then we make a big stunt. So that's how you do it. So today is favorite trucks day. So we're gonna see on our stunts, our obstacle course. So we're gonna have them. So this is favorite trucks day. So pick your thing in the comment section about stuff. So we're gonna pick stuff. So we're gonna build a bridge over here. This is what an obstacle course looks like. What we're going to choose. The Ford F-350, it's the flatbed, GMC pickup, Ford pickup, you never know. So we're going to see what it's going to do. Don't dislike this thing actually, but choose whatever you want. Choose whatever you want. This is favorite trucks day, choose whatever you want. So this is what it looks like when it goes on the stunt. We're almost going, I'm winning, I'm just winning on our neighbor's farm. Jeez. Now, what does it look like if it comes up here? Ah! Okay, what's under here? Oh my gosh, so we're not going to get in there. The obstacle course isn't set up. So what's your favorite truck? Okay, what's your favorite truck? So we got Ford. So we're gonna open this. Save the truck! Save the truck! So do you want to see the Ford F-250 or the 350? So what do you guys want? If that's what you want, that's okay. So we're gonna get this thing out. We're gonna get a new truck. So we're gonna, for favorite trucks day. So, what can I choose? Miss Campin. So we're gonna find something from GMC. But it says NMC, but it's not supposed to do that. Ah! Battery is low. Okay, so we're gonna see what you want. So you want this. Do you want another one? So we're gonna get the red one. If you want the red one, that's fine. You want to see it. But what do you want? Oh man, look at this. Look guys. Look what it is. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, what's your favorite truck? What is your favorite truck? What's your favorite color in this thing? What is your favorite? Thanks so much for watching. And thank you so much for making me doing this whole thing. Also, thank you so much for watching.